At times, people with well pumps or their home is on well water, they'll hear some strange noises from their well pump. Like any noise, you know that's probably not right, but you don't know what the cause is. So, what could be causing noises from a home well pump? Monticello Pump Services, leader in the space, Jason Zioner is going to lead us through this process and give us some answers. So, Jason, I'm hearing some noises. What could be the cause and what needs to be done?
Robert, yeah, typically there's two reasons why or what you're hearing. One is, from the well pump. Sometimes, if the shaft is spun or starting to rub the wrong way, you can start hearing a grinding sound coming from the well or traveling through the pipes, and you hear it inside the house. Second would be sometimes the pressure tank. When the diaphragm goes in that tank, you can start hearing a whistling sound. And this can also cause that weird noise that, you typically don't hear when you're running water. But that can pop up from time to time.
Well, probably safe to say if they hear these noises, they shouldn't ignore them. Can it be temporary, or generally is it something you should get checked out?
Generally, you should get it checked out because it's probably not going to fix itself. Either the diaphragm in the tank. Yeah, either the diaphragm in the tank has ruptured already, and it's limping along, or the well pump itself is starting to rub and grind, and at that point, it doesn't have too much life left in it.
Got it. So sounds like grinding noises, whistling noises, indicators of things that need to be repaired, upgraded. So probably best to give you a call. All right.
Yes, sir.
So sounds good. Appreciate the insight. So if you're hearing some strange noises, give Jason a call. Thanks again, Jason, for your time.
All right. Thank you, Robert.